Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to check out the best pops on the platform Reddit. Before we get started, please check out this video in its entirety. While you watch, consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. This is Reddit's most popular pop of the month, with a karma of about 4,000. Are we seeing an infected whitehead in that video? Comment below. This is the most popular removal of the year. The individual has a coagulation under his nose. I would venture a guess that he had MRSA that was treated with a heavy dose of antibiotics.
Alright. Come on, fucking piece of shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! That fucking hurt!
This is one of the more popular pops as well. I can't tell if this person has cystic acne or just blackheads. Leave your opinions below. Lastly, here's an image of cystic acne. What do you think? Is it time to stop popping to prevent scarring? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.